Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Have you ever seen the popular Add Yours sticker on Instagram stories and wondered how to do the same on WhatsApp? While WhatsApp doesn't yet have a built-in Add Yours feature like Instagram, there's still a creative way to create a similar effect using simple tools. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to make your own Add Yours prompt on WhatsApp status and encourage your friends to reply with their own posts. Let's get started. Step 1. Update WhatsApp on your phone. Open Play Store, then search WhatsApp. Tap on Update button, if available. After that, open your WhatsApp and click the Updates tab. You can create a status using photos or videos. If the photo is already added, click the sticker icon above. Then you will find the Add Yours feature here. Tap on that. Now, type a prompt that encourages your friends to join. For example, you could write, Add yours, your favorite vacation photo. Add yours, what's your current mood? Add yours, your 2024 goals, etc. Then click Done. Then you can upload it as a status. Now comes the important part. Ask your friends to reply to your status with their own version. They can take a screenshot of your prompt and post their own Add Yours response to their own status, tagging you or mentioning the prompt in their replies. You can also repost your friends' replies in your own status to keep the chain going. And there you have it. While it's not exactly like Instagram's sticker, this method still brings the Add Yours vibe to WhatsApp and creates a fun and interactive experience with your contacts. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.